Now, if you're looking for some serious punch, let's look at colourful stalwart plant options for borders and hanging baskets that are not only vibrant but also edible. We take a look into Freddie's colourful world from AT Nursery.
Hi, I'm Freddie from AT Nursery and welcome to my world of color. Today I'd like to talk to you about pansies and violas, which are a favorite for many gardeners to add color to your winter and spring garden. Nothing matches their charm or their incredible range of colors. As you can see, different varieties have different patterns on the flowers, as if they've been hand painted. Both pansies and violas are easy to grow and need at least 6 hours of full sun in winter. They can tolerate frost, even snow, and also do well in humid coastal conditions. If you are wanting your pansies and violas to have a long-lasting display, then I'd suggest you try plant them in a semi-shade area where it doesn't get too hot during the spring and summer months. To keep them in full bloom, you need to deadhead the spent blossoms. Now this tricks the plants into making more and more flowers. My favorite variety is this, Power Rose Blotch Surprise. And it's called Surprise as all the extra large flowers are different in colors, ranging from light pink to maroon. One plant with so many hues of colors. Now that's amazing. Other varieties include the light pink jump up. Then this is the Viola Delft Blue, the only variety of this color. This is the Pansy Matrix, yellow and purple. And this is Viola Morpho, which has distinctive yellow and purple flowers, like the morpho butterfly. So if you are looking for bold and vibrant colors, or if you are looking for something a bit calmer, there's a pansy and viola variety for your space. And as they are edible, they are great for hanging baskets, window boxes, and small balconies close to the kitchen. Don't forget, we have made it really easy. All the information you need is on the label. Remember, in good times and bad times, flowers bring moments of joy.